Account-based selling, the easy guide for beginners. Want to learn if account-based selling is the right solution for your B2B sales team? Account-based selling has gained a lot of interest in the past 5 years. Studies show that at least 94% of B2B teams have adopted account-based selling in a bid to deliver improved buying experiences that lead to increased conversions and loyalty. So, how can account-based selling be used to its potential? Well, you must implement a clear and structured framework. Here are 3 key features. 1. Internal alignment. Account-based selling models rely heavily on the alignment of sales and marketing, as well as customer care to a slightly lesser extent. If you fail to prioritize this goal, the entire ABS strategy will fall flat. Here are 3 steps will help you achieve internal alignment. 1. Ensure that all teams work toward clear, shared goals. 2. Use shared reporting so that everyone has access to the same data metrics. 3. Hold regular meetings and feedback settings with sales and marketing teams. 2. Build an ideal customer profile. When opting for account-based selling methods, you will dedicate more time and resources to the accounts that offer the most potential. Sadly, if you focus on the wrong accounts, it will instantly limit your hopes for success. Building an ideal customer profile (ICP) will mean identifying the characteristics that are displayed by your most valuable customers. In turn, it will allow you to spot accounts that offer high potential. Meanwhile, it can facilitate target marketing campaigns to generate a 124% increase in sales leads. 3. Identify target accounts. Account-based selling works on the basis of giving top accounts the one-to-one attention they deserve while still working towards closing more deals from lower-value accounts. You will need to break all accounts into 3 tiers. 1. Strategic. Your top-value accounts that should use a sales-led, marketing-supported approach that provides one-on-one engagement. 2. Target accounts. Accounts that have good potential, it focuses primarily on a one-to-a-few approach that combines sales and marketing. 3. Addressable market. The remaining prospects that should be supported by the traditional one-to-many approach. Would you like to know more about account-based selling? Click the link in the description below to read our full blog post on ABS, and reach out to our Revenue Director Jeff Grice to discover how you can advance your business in only 2 minutes.